Hey guys, welcome to another how-to video with Matt. Today we are replacing the door handle in this 2005 Dodge Dakota right here, guys. This right here handle broke off, as you can see right here, and it's kind of annoying because I like to roll my windows down in the summertime because it is South Carolina after all, it's hot. So this right here is Dorman part number 76932. And whenever I took this off right here, the sticker was still on this, so it was easy to identify the part. Now, you don't really need any special tools or anything like that, guys. Check this out. All you need to get yourself is a rag, just like this. A little small, thick towel right here, guys. And what you want to do is look around on your window and find where your little clip is. There's a little A-frame clip in there, guys, and you need to find the bottom. So the bottom of the clip is right here. Now you can use a pry bar, you can use screwdriver, needle nose, all that, but it's kind of a pain in the butt. So all you really need to do is take a towel right here and make sure you get it under both sides right there, and then you just want to kind of shimmy it right there. See, that clip just poked out right there, guys. So I'm just going to pull that clip out just like that, and then we can take this off now. And it might be on there a little tight, might not. So there we go. There is the broken one, and there is the clip. But thankfully the new one that we have comes with a clip brand new, so we're just going to go with the brand new clip. So let's go ahead and open it up. So there is the handle right there, guys, and you want to leave the clip inside. You don't want to take the clip off when you put it on, because all you got to do is stick it up to it, line it up on some threads, go ahead and give it a little turn on there, make sure it's going to sit nice, just like that right there. So that's sitting real nice, and you just want to, with your palm, you don't want to punch it, you don't want to stab it or with your finger, just with the palm of your hand, just kind of throw that on and pop it till it goes all the way down, just like that, and then it'll be in place, guys. So now we've got a new handle. So if that video helped you out, guys, be sure to smash that like button down below and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful week. Peace.